At this year's ESREL conference, we have a special session on natural language processing, knowledge graphs and ontologies as applied to engineering. We are calling this technical language processing. As a safety, risk, reliability or maintenance person, why should this interest you? Technical language processing is used by engineers and technicians to communicate about the equipment they design, manufacture, operate and maintain. Technical language is not the same as everyday conversations we have with our spouses and children. Technical text and tables convey meaning and implications that are understood by other technically qualified people. Think about the decades of engineering knowledge and experience that is locked in unstructured text held in documents, reports and tables. This information may be in a digital form, such as a PDF, but it is not machine readable. What if we could make it so? When we come to work and log onto our corporate networks, it's like we've gone back to the 1990s in terms of our ability to access knowledge from the systems we have to use. In our home lives, we regularly use artificial intelligence to help us navigate information. But why not at work? The answer, of course, is that engineering companies guard their data as they should. So each engineering company only has a small training data set. Compare this to the data generated by the 4.3 billion users of the internet, much of it available to companies like Google, Apple and Amazon to train the algorithms we make use of every day in order to order parts and get from A to B. Our challenge is that many of the algorithms trained on internet data do not work well out of the box on engineering data for a variety of reasons. For a start, they don't leverage engineering knowledge, technical language and syntax. Could things change? We suggest that they already are. To find out how technical language processing will impact our work in safety, risk, reliability and maintenance into the future, we suggest you attend the ESREL conference in Venice in June 2020 and look out for this special session. Thank you.